to Africa and beyond, the television network. And at this point in time, let us take a look on the issue of Boterekwa. There is news that Boterekwa Raboka, things are no longer well at Boterekwa. And this is the picture right here. It's a very sad picture which we are seeing Gombaire, Rikunzirapa Boterekwa. And if this is true, then it presents a serious problem. Because remember, Boterekwa rine nyaya dzekuti maChina, they are doing illegal mining in that area. And the Kozwa says another one at Boterekwa, this time it's not a hole but a huge pit. The government should consider closing down the road and declare it a state of emergency before something horrible and disastrous happens. Results of looting and uncontrolled illegal mining in the name of black empowerment. So there is a probability that Boterekwa panogononge pakatocherwa pasi pakatonyenyenwa pakadyiwa simply because of mining activities dziri kuitika chikorokoza chawandisa. And you know, Sekuru Vatiti says one of the images publicly available on internet, we have a problem. Okay, let's show the real issue. This won't help. Okay, this is what Sekuru Vatiti is saying is actually situation right there. And as I always say, we need a serious government which is going to deal with this issue. So this war we have seen right here is too big from the one which we started to see. And I've been trying to find the picture of the one which was posted earlier, which suggests that, you know, the road is no longer safe. Lidna says government of Idi Mnangagwa is very useless. They are bloodthirsty. They need people to die first using money on useless things and forgetting about people's lives. So we will look forward to see if some people will go and visit the area of Boterekwa and give us the actual issue happening right there, so that we get to understand how the situation is. So in the meantime, there are mixed reactions. Some people are saying it's false. Some people are saying it's true. We have seen some pictures circulating on WhatsApp, alerting motorists to be on watch out on that road. So you know, the picture is different to the one which we see right here on Kozwa platform. But we hope and believe that this is going to be dealt with. We hope and believe that this is going to be investigated. And if this is true, then we would want to see an action being taken. But as for this war, I don't believe that this is the right one, because it's a different picture. Unfortunately, we can't put the real picture right here on the screen, but it's a very sad situation of what is happening. So, you know, as we always say, in Zimbabwe, we need a government which cares about the people, which will consider the plight of the people, deliver right roads for the people. You know, Bedbridge Road, and the rainy season is going to be very, very difficult and tense for the motorists who will be traveling on this road. So especially between Rutenga and Ngundu, that area is bad, and between Masvingo and Buka, that area is also bad. Then I'm not so sure about the areas of Mvuma, if they've completed that area. So this is the problem. This is what we have, and we'll continue to urge the government of Zimbabwe to fix the roads. If you go to the Victoria Falls Road, it also carries some problems. We have seen some problems on Victoria Falls Road. Chirundu Road again is so bad. So you know, this is something which we need to be fixed, because it's costly for the car owners to maintain their cars because of the roads. So it is what it is. We'll continue to watch and see, and we'll continue to watch and see how this issue is going to be resolved. We need to see if the government is going to send people onto the site kuti vaende vanoona kuti Boterekwa rakanaka zvakaita sei. If there is need for it to be fixed, they fix it immediately. That is something which is very important before something bad happens. So I just want to thank everybody who is live with us right here. We are not in our normal studio today, but we are trying to be here so that we talk about important matters. So I love you all. Thank you very much for the support you have been